Assalamualaikum Mr. Satria.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum Profesor Idham.
Ya, Waalaikumsalam. Evi, kalau bikin grup itu dicantumkan namanya di grup, jadi carinya mudah ya.
Ya. Maaf,
Jangan seminar tanggal sekian. Yang seminar tanggal sekian itu kan nggak cuma kamu.
Iya, baik. Iya, Prof.
Ya udah lengkap belum?
Masih menunggu Miss Nurul, Prof.
Miss Nurul ya.
Iya.
Ya, kedua ya. Bu Dr. Samsiah sudah, Bu Nur sudah ya?
Sudah, Prof.
Pak Satria. Ya, saya kira bisa kita mulai ya sambil menunggu Bu Nurul ya.
Baik, Prof.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Respected seminar team, Mr. Satria Adi Pradana MPD. How are you, Mr. Satria? Are you there?
Oh yes, baru nyampe dari belakang. I'm good.
Miss Nurul Puspita MPD maybe still preparing to join this Zoom meeting. Dr. Nur Samsia MPD, how are you, Dr. Nur Samsia?
Fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. And then Zakia MPD, yeah.
Ya, Assalamualaikum, Prof.
Okay. We're gonna have a seminar on research proposal entitled "The Influence of Using Book Creator Application Towards Students' Writing Ability." Proposed by Evi Handayani, student register number 181104058. This seminar will be conducted by a team consisting of me as moderator, Ms. Zakia MPD as secretary, Mr. Satria Adi Pradana MPD as the first reviewer, and then Ms. Nurul Puspita MPD as the second reviewer, and Dr. Nur Samsiah MPD as the third reviewer. This seminar will take more or less 40 minutes, and the first 10 minutes will be given to Evi Handayani to present his research proposal, and the rest of the time will be shared to 3 reviewers proportionally. Yeah. Well, let's begin this seminar by saying Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Are you ready, Evi?
Yes, Prof. Ready.
Okay. Okay, please present your research proposal. Okay, the time is yours.
Thank you, Prof. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Professor Dr. Ilham Khalid MAG as moderator for this seminar proposal, the Honorable Ms. Zakia MPD as secretary for this seminar proposal, the Honorable Mr. Satria Adi Pradana MPD as primary examiner for this seminar proposal, the Honorable Ms. Nurul Puspita MPD as secondary examiner for this seminar proposal, and the Honorable Dr. Nur Syamsiah MPD as advisor for this seminar proposal. Good morning, and first of all, let me introduce myself that my name is Evi Handayani. My student's number 1811040058 from English Education Program. In this morning, I would like to thank for the opportunity that has been given to me to present my thesis proposal with the title, The Influence of Using Book Reader Application Towards Students' Writing Ability. Chapter 1, Introduction. Title Affirmation. The title from this research is The Influence of Using Book Reader Application towards students' writing ability. The first, I will explain about influence. According to Hans Zaiman, influence is something effective or causes a change, and book reader applications, according Nasrul Mukadis, is the free and simple internet-based applications, and writing ability, according Martias, is capacity of someone to produce written message. Background of the problems. Writing is not only skills, but more than how the readers can encourage or extend their ideas to communicate with other people. According to Wheeler, it is in line with the statement of the Nunang that writing is the process of thinking, expressing, and arranging idea to communicate that can be understood by the readers. Based on the preliminary research, there are many obstacles that usually faced by the students and the teacher in teaching and learning writing. Example in prose text. Prose text, according to Hari, is the text that given instruction and steps how to do something. The first obstacle that usually faced by the students and teacher is students' lack of vocabulary, and then students' difficulties with the grammar, and then students assume that writing is the difficulties activities because teacher doesn't provide the suitable technique or the media to teach writing. According Prawira Dilga, the world of education is affected by the technology and internet industry. Therefore, the researcher thinks as the teacher must select or choose the suitable technique or media to teach writing, like book reader application, because book reader application is the application that consists of text, image, sound, and students can publish their text or writing that can be accessed or read by laptop, smartphone, Android, or tablet. Therefore, this research will be conducted. This research with the title, The Influence of Using Book Reader Application Towards Students' Writing Ability. Identification of the problems, students' lack of vocabulary, student difficulties of grammars, and teacher doesn't provide. Teacher does. Limitation of the problem. Just focus to knowing whether there is an influence of using book reader. Formulation of the problems. Is there any influence of using book reader application towards students' writing ability? Chapter 2. Chapter 2, definition of the Chapter 2, literature review. Definition of writing. Writing according to Nunan is the important skills in English. Writing is the important skill in English. And then writing is the process of thinking, expressing, and arranging idea that can be understood by the readers. Component of writing according Jacob, there are 5 components of writing. There are content, organization, vocabulary, languages, and mechanic. The process of writing according Radel, there are 3 processes of writing. The first is before writing or rewriting. The second is during writing or drafting. And the last is after writing. Approach in teaching writing. According Harmer, there are 6 approach in teaching writing. The first is process and product. Genre. The third is creative writing. The fourth is cooperative activities. The 5 is building habit in writing. And the 6 is writing for learning and writing for writing. Definition of text. Text is the semantics unit according Holiday and Hastings. Types of text according Jared and Wicknell. There are many types of text. For example, like procedure text and many others. Book reader application. Definition of book reader application according Nasrul Mukadis is the application that consists of text, image, sounds that and then students can publish their text or their writing, and then can be read on the smartphone, Android, computer, or tablet. Advantage and disadvantage of the writing according to Hasinah and Ferdian. The advantage of the writing, the first is very easy and simple application to teach in writing, and then by this application students can read and publish their writing or their text. The disadvantage of the writing, the first is by using this application, students must be always online, because by using this application, students need stable network. Teaching writing using book reader, according Alcipher, there are many strategy or technique to teach writing. For example, the readers can choose topic, create a plan, revise, editing, publish, and share. According Dr. Ruben Puente Dura, there are 4 processes to implementing book reader application in teaching writing. The first is substitution. It means students can read book in book reader application. The second is augmentation. Students can read book in book reader that including text, image, sound, and other. The third is modification. Students can generate their ideas or their thinking by adding text, image, and other. And the last is redefinition. Students can publish and share their writing. Chapter 3, research methodology. Place and time of the research. This research will be conducted at the 11th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Pasir Sakti Lampung Timur in the academic year 2021-2022. Research design. This research will use quasi-experimental research design. In this research, we'll apply pre-test and post-test control group design by Kurzweil. And then this research will use 2 classes. One is the experimental class and one is the control class. Population, sample, and sampling technique. The population of this research is all students in the 11th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Pasir Sakti. The sample from this research will use 2 classes. One is the experimental class and one is the control class. Sampling technique. In this research, we'll use cluster random sampling. Research variable. Independent variable is book reader application. Dependent variable is students' writing ability. Operational definition of variable. The first is book reader applications. Book reader application, according Nasrul Mukadis, is the application that consists of text, image, sounds, and students can publish their work. Students' writing ability, according Martias, is the capacity of the someone to produce written message from the word into paragraph or text clearly that can be understood by the readers. Research instrument. In this research, we will use pre-test and post-test. In the pre-test, researcher can ask the students to make procedure text in the 80 minutes, and then the result of the pretest will be scoring by writing assessment that based on the content, vocabulary, language use, mechanic, and organization. In the post-test, will same with the pre-test. Data collecting technique in this research will use pre-test and post-test. In the pre-test will be given before the treatment and the post-test will be given after the treatment. Criteria for evaluating students' writing according Arthur Harks, there are 5 criteria for evaluating students in writing. There are content, organization, vocabulary, language use, and mechanic. Validity, there are 2 validity, content validity and construct validity. In the content validity, teacher must relate the material with the syllabus that used in the school, and construct validity focus with the type of the text in writing that measure in the writing ability. Reliability of the text, to know whether the instrument consistent and dependable, and fulfillment of the assumption. There are normality test and homogeneity test. And hypothesis testing, H0, HO, there is no significant influence of using book reader application, and HA, there is a significant influence of using book reader application. Okay. I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your nice attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And next, I will return to the moderator.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Evi Handayani. We have already attended your presentation, yeah. And before I give the time to the reviewer, let me ask you one or more question. Yeah. How you argue that research on writing ability? Where are you going to do this research?
In SMA Negeri 1 Pasir Sakti, Lampung Timur.
Okay, why? How you argue that research on writing ability there is important?
Yes, as we know, writing is the skill important, but there is many obstacles that usually faced by the students and teacher during teaching and learning writing, like students lack of vocabulary, student difficulties with grammar, and besides that, students assume that writing is the difficulties activities because the teacher doesn't provide the suitable technique or media. Therefore, this research try to find out the solution to solve the problem. Therefore, this research will conduct this research.
Well, obstacles and difficulties on writing can be found anywhere, not only at the school where you are going to do the research, right? Is that right?
Yes,
obstacle. Okay, yeah. Those obstacles and those difficulties, as you described, can be found anywhere, right? Not only at the school where you are going to do the research. Is that right?
Yes, right, Prof.
Yeah. Why do you have to do the research in this school, not in the other school, in other schools? I mean.
Yes. The first, because the school in SMA Negeri 1 Pasir Sakti, the researcher think that have the facilities like the enough computer, and then during the online learning in the school allow the students to bring the smartphone or handphone, and then based on the preliminary research, the teacher said that during the online learning, the teacher difficulties to find out the suitable media or technique because the teacher only use WhatsApp application. Therefore, the researcher wants to something change in SMA Negeri 1 Pasir Sakti. They're teaching writing using book reader application.
Do you want to say that this school has facilities that support the technique that you are going to apply in this research?
Yes, Prof.
What facilities that you think is not easy to find in other schools?
Yes, in other schools, based on my observation, doesn't provide the many computers or doesn't allow the students to bring the handphone. So the teacher choose the SMA Negeri 1 Pasir Sakti.
What did you say? You said that the computer cannot be replaced by smartphone.
Yes, computer can replace by smartphone, sir, by using this application.
Meaning that the school doesn't have to provide computer, right? Because all the student has smartphone. All the student have smartphone, right?
Yes, all students have the smartphone, but by using this application, students only can publish their writing by using computers. They can read on the smartphone, but cannot publish their writing text by using smartphone. So the researcher think to using this application, besides using smartphone, the students must using computer.
Okay. Well, I think that's reasonable. Yeah, your argument for me is better than most students who usually saw the data of the weaknesses on students writing in the school. Ya, jadi begini ya, supaya ini juga jadi catatan kita semua ya, termasuk dosen-dosen ya. Saya kira argumentasi seperti ini lebih bagus ya, ketimbang misalnya banyak students itu yang seolah-olah di sekolah ini writing ability-nya itu rendah, kemudian menyajikan data nilai yang di bawah standar gitu kan. Padahal ketika kita konfirmasi data-data itu khawatir saya data-data itu hanya data-data yang dibuat-buat saja gitu. Nah, tetapi ketika ini diargumentasikan bahwa writing itu menjadi persoalan semua, nah ini saya kira lebih reasonable gitu ya. Jadi bahwa writing itu masih menjadi persoalan semua siswa, tidak hanya di sekolah tertentu, mungkin itu lebih masuk akal ya. Nah, tetapi mengapa harus di sekolah ini? Nah, di sekolah ini ada fasilitas yang mendukung untuk digunakannya teknik yang akan dieksperimenkan. I think that's more reasonable ya, argumentasi seperti itu ya, ketimbang memaksakan data-data yang sebetulnya hanya gatuk-gatuk saja gitu ya, dicocok-cocokkan saja gitu. Okay, that's my comment ya. Of course, the reviewer will review your research proposal more comprehensively, and let the first time we give to Mr. Satria Adi Pradana MPD as the first reviewer. Mr. Satria, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you very much, Prof. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that's quite interesting to be done, yeah, Effie. Like the previous research, yeah, it happens that the data is not really factual and actual, yeah. It is only for formality, yeah, without any notions behind that. I mean, you need to make it as it is proof and validated, yeah. So we don't know actually why this score should be stated here without even notice that it is actually a validated score or what, yeah. So you need to attach some documents on that, yeah, so that this table will represent the validity of the data, yeah. So yeah, that's quite enormous, yeah, to see that the research that has been done by the other researchers, especially our students, yeah, it's quite undependable and it's not really valid, yeah, about the data. And also you use the criteria of the minimum mastery, yeah, in this case, but you said it is a writing score, yeah. Which one is the correct one? I don't know. So that's quite a manipulated and fabricated things here to be done. It's like just formality, yeah. So yeah, it appears to be made up score, yeah, Effie. So that's why it will be not really suitable for your research, which is writing. Yeah. So the next is that why you choose writing to be the scale of your thesis?
Yes, because exactly I like writing, sir. But in writing, from the senior high school, junior high school, and until now, I really confused about how to make the good writing. So I interest with the writing.
So how to make a good writing? So I interest with writing. So that's your background of this thesis about how you're going to do the research because you love writing.
Yes, I like writing, but I observe in the many schools that students really low scores in writing because there are many difficulties or problems. Therefore, I choose writing.
Yeah, but I cannot find your comment right now in your writing. Yeah. So this they're just made up one by you now. Yeah, live. Yeah, but there is no such a thing in your writing. You love writing. That's why I choose this topic to be done. And why is procedure tax? Yeah, why it should be procedure tax? Why in that school? Yeah, you should need to attach those backgrounds. Yeah, as detailed as it is. Yeah. So seeing for that, yeah, I see some misplacement. Yeah, also a incorrect margins. Yeah, on some sort. Yeah. Remember that writing needs mechanics too. Yeah, some typos happen. Please revise that. Yeah, and also the grammatical structure. Yeah, you need to make it as it is. Yeah. Then let's see to your strategy. You're going to teach using this application, right?
Right, Mr.
So would you like to elaborate the idea, the notions behind that?
Sorry, Mr. I can hear.
Would you like to elaborate the idea, the notion behind your book creator application?
Yes. Before the generate the ideas, the students can search reference or read digital book application in book creator application, and then after their search reference, they can choose the topic that provide from the researcher, and then the students can generate their idea by using book creator application as creative as possible.
Okay, would you like to open the application?
Yes, Mr. This is the application, Mr. Book Reader application. We can access by computer, by website.
So are you going to teach it offline or online?
Online, sir.
How could the policy will be changed later on? There will be no online class. There will be an offline class in May, for example. Maybe yes, maybe no.
If offline class, the researcher can use this application because this application is to publish their writing tasks, their students writing, and then in offline students can explain about the material about writing. After that, the researcher can ask the students to make their writing and publish in book reader application. So therefore, the researcher can explain the material by offline, and then researcher asks the students to make their writing by using this application.
Okay, so you can do it in a hybrid class, yeah, which is really need an internet and also an offline class without internet, yeah. So why choosing procedure tags?
Yeah, because the researcher asked the teacher in SMA Negeri 1 Pasir Sakti that in 11th grade the syllabus the writing is about brochure text and lyric song. Therefore, the researcher think the brochure text is suitable in writing. Therefore, the researcher relate with the syllabus that used in school, brochure text, sir.
It's based on the syllabus, and also it is actually on that part of the time that there will be have those materials, yeah,
Yes,
to
sir.
be taught. Okay, so how could you teach? Would you like to show me with
Yes.
that app?
The first in book reader application, students and teacher must have to create account. Teacher create account as the teacher and students create account as the students. The first teacher can share the code library, like here FE class writing, and then student, teacher can share their code and students can enter the library class by using the code to search digital book and search reference in this library. And then
Yeah, I'm asking you how to teach that, to teach writing now.
And then the students can make their writing in book reader application by using their account and publish and share.
No, I don't need your explanation about that. I want you to use the application to teach writing right now.
For explanation, sir.
No, teaching writing using that apps right now.
By using this application, teacher can
No,
share.
you don't need to explain that. You don't need to explain it. But use that application to teach writing. For instance, in this occasion.
Teacher can share this link to the students.
Effie, do I make myself clear, Effie? I want you to teach using that apps right now, not explaining about that apps.
Or by using this application like simulation, sir. Simulation to
Yeah,
teach.
you don't need to explain that. Just use that app and teach us writing.
Like Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. By using this application, you can read the books that I have made, and then you can search many reference after you search or read many reference of the browser text. You can see the genetic structure and the component of the browser text. You can make the browser text. Maybe like that, sir.
So without any changing on that page, see that. So what for? Just only see every class writing, everyone books. What do you mean? So we need you to teach writing, not only speech and lecturing about things that we cannot do.
Sorry, Mr. But students only can writing by using their account. In this class, students only.
Yeah, I know. But how could you try to make them understand about how to write? Teach writing, Effie.
Yeah. For the first, you can select the topic. Select the topic that the teacher provide. For example, brochure text or other, and then students can create.
For example, procedure text or others, katanya fokusnya ke procedure text.
Yes, in procedure text and the topic, like for example how to use a blender. After that, the students can.
How to use a blender, man. Coba dicari, ada nggak?
And then students can create their books by choosing the layout in book reader applications. By using this application, in new book, students can choose landscape, for example. After they prepare their plan in writing, they can add text here. They can add text and they can add image or sounds for their writing. Procedure text in how to use a blender, for example.
So what is your role, teacher? What is your role, teacher?
Students, you can choose the teacher can ask the students to make their writing for the first by choosing the layout in book reader application, and after that teacher can ask the students to generate their content or ideas by add the text, image about their writing. After the students finish their writing, teacher can ask the students to reread their writing or revising their writing that considered unclear. After that, the teacher can ask the students to publish and share their writing.
How could they write if they don't know how to write?
The first teacher can give the step about how good writing.
For instance,
for example, like during your start your writing, you can
during.
Before you start your writing, you can make pre-writing. For example, like you must choose the topic or the content in your writing. After that, teacher can ask the students to create a plan in writing. For example, in book reader application, teacher can ask students to choose the layout in book reader application, and then teacher asks the students to make drafting by add text, image in book reader application, and then teacher can ask the students to revising about their writings that consider unclear, and finally the teacher can publish and share, ask the students to publish and share their writing.
Yeah, so this topic also can be used by the students, how to make a good writing in, what is it, in book creator application. Yeah, so the main problem is that how do you teach writing? You just ask them to do, you just ask them to read, you just ask them to add, you just ask them to see, you just ask them to copy that writing and then just write by themselves. And then what is your role as a teacher? Do you teach them writing or just giving them the access that actually the book creator has already obliged that obligation? Which is your position is not really matter.
By using this application, after the teacher asks the students to publish and share, teacher can give the feedback from their writing.
Okay, feedback. So how many steps are there in writing?
There are 3 processes.
What are they?
Before writing, pre-writing, during writing, drafting, and after writing.
Oh, it's more than 3. And then you said it is 3, but you mentioned more than 3 steps.
No, sir. Pre-writing or before writing. The second is during writing or drafting, and the last is after writing.
Post-writing.
Yes.
I'm asking you about how the steps of each draft will be done in the writing, in the student's writing. Yeah, you said that you have the rubric.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you need to explain about the concept, yeah, and the component of writing, and also the process, yeah, of writing, yeah, which is assessed by the rubric, yeah. What rubric do you use? Will you use?
I will use the writing assessment from the Arthur Hacks. There are contents, language use, mechanic, vocabulary, and organization in writing.
Okay. From who?
Arthur Hack.
Huge.
Yes.
Arthur
Arthur
Hughes.
Hughes.
Hug. Hug itu look lah. Okay. So what will be the things that you're going to do in the first time you're going to enter the class?
Yes, I will explain the material about book creator applications. I will show
Why explain the material?
because before the students start writing, the researcher thinks students must know about procedure text first.
So in the first time you enter the class, you're going to give them the treatment directly?
No, for the first time I will give the pretest to know the writing ability in procedure text first before give the treatment.
Okay, so do you have the what is it? The blueprint or the what is it? The instruction to be done? Do you have it?
Yes, sir.
On what page?
There are 5.
There are 5.
Like.
Huh?
Like.
I'm asking you what page?
Time. 5
Excuse me,
meetings.
Mr. Satria.
Oh yeah, Prof. Time's up.
We have around 5 minutes left.
Okay.
If you say.
But it's interesting, Prof.
Okay. So
Okay. Thank you, Prof. Page berapa instruksinya?
In halaman. In page.
In halaman.
In page 2.
In page 2? Hah?
In page.
Bakal pretest?
In page
Bakal pretestnya mana?
40.
Oh, waduh. Kok in page 2?
In page
40.
38.
Nih.
39.
How you put the page on also need to be revised, ya. How you put the page on, yeah.
Yes, sir.
40, I didn't find the pretest, but you have already the instrument of pretest and post-test, yeah.
Yes.
Who validated that? Soleha, have you validated the instrument?
Instrument. The researcher provide the topic in pretest and post-test.
Yeah, but this is already the name of the Soleha SPD.
Yes, the teacher in SMA name is Miss Soleha.
Okay. Later on, we're going to talk about this. I think my time's up. Yeah, I'll give it back to the moderator. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mr. Satria Adi Pradana MPD. An interesting discussion with FP, and I do appreciate FP to try to argue, although sometimes your argument is not always strong, especially when you are asked about the background of your research, Evi, kamu nggak konsisten tadi. Halo Evi.
Yes, Prof.
Yeah, kan when you are asked about the background of your research, you said that you are interested in writing, kan? Itu argumentasi subjektif. Kan tadi jelas bahwa writing itu masih menjadi persoalan, gitu kan? Mestinya itu argumentasinya. Ya, bukan saya suka writing, itu boleh, tetapi itu subjektif, ya.
Yes,
Okay, we have actually less than 5 minutes left, yeah, but we still have two reviewers, so please, Miss Nurul Puspita and Dr. Nur Samsia to share the time. Okay, Miss Nurul, the time is yours.
Thank you, Prof. Idam, as the moderator for the chance. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
All right, Effie, you are on your thesis proposal seminar right now. And fortunately, Mr. Satria has given many questions and also suggestions for your revisions, for your betterment of your thesis proposal. And now, the important things you should reconsider implementing apps, yeah. It's such a subject that belong to a media. As we know, the media doesn't have this processes. You need to use kinds of modification, make a modification. There is it's related to how you something like that. Clearly.
Miss Nurul, your voice is not clear enough. Sorry.
How about now, Effie? Is it clear for you, Effie?
Effie?
Yes,
Oh, you can hear Miss Nurul clearly, Effie. Yeah?
no, Prof. The Miss Nurul voice is not clear enough.
Yeah. Maybe Miss Nurul has problem with the signal.
Yeah, sorry, I think due to the trouble in signal. Effie,
Yeah.
how about
Yes,
now?
Miss.
Is it clear for you?
Yes, Miss, clearly now, Miss.
All right. So you have to make sure that this book creator can be used for teaching writing in the classroom. Then you have to consider that in the schools in the next semester will implement online settings or offline settings, such because this book creators is digital apps, right? So if this app still can be used or implemented during offline setting, ya kalau misalkan nanti di semester depan itu udah offline, jadi gimana juga nanti? How you would like to modify the activities on the teaching and learning, especially in teaching writing at the class? Ya, seperti itu ya, Effie. You get my point, Effie? All right. So you have to recheck again also for the writing stage. There are some stage that should be reconsidered by the students in the process of writing. So you can combine or modify this process into the within the use of the book character itself. Just make sure of it, and you have to prepare all the instrument of the writing. Well, I think it's the suggestion that I can give for you, Effie. Good luck for your research later on, and I'll give it back to the moderator, Prof. Idam. Thank you for the chance. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss Nurul Puspita, MPD. Next goes to Dr. Nur Samsia, MPD. Dr. Nur Samsia, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Prof. Idam, as moderator. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Effie, so many things notes here from the examiner and the moderator, and then from your advisor. Yeah, please revise soon these notes. Yeah, note and revision. Okay, Effie, please try to give a logical reason or academic reason. Yeah, for the question from examiner, or provide logical reason in your background of the problem. only in title confirmation about your result Why did you choose this writing ability in procedure text, and then why did you choose this application to apply in this writing? Okay, Effie, please make sure your theory of book chapter book chapter application, and then make sure your theory in chapter 2 about the teaching writing using BCA BCA, and then how to teach, and then how to evaluate this writing using BCA the book chapter application. And then make sure your instrument your instrument will use your instrument in pretest and post-test. What will use what the instrument will use, and then how many times will use in this pretest and post-test, and who will evaluate this pretest or students writing worksheet jadi lebih dipertegas lagi di instrumennya.
Yes,
Okay, I think it's enough for me. I give it back to moderator. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Dr. Nur Samsiah MPD, for your suggestion. I think we have spent more than the time provided. That's fine. I would give a bit note to Effie Handayani, especially my appreciation on your argument about the importance of your research tadi Saya mengapresiasi argumentasi Anda di latar belakang tadi tetapi dengan catatan begini Effie ketika Anda bilang bahwa writing itu masih menjadi persoalan hampir di semua sekolah, itu Anda harus ada rujukannya Halo Effie?
Yes, Prof.
Nah, harus ada rujukannya, nggak perlu data nilai, nggak perlu, tetapi ada statement dari orang yang punya otoritas tentang pendidikan bahasa Inggris yang mengatakan itu bahwa writing itu masih menjadi sulit bagi siswa di Indonesia misalnya gitu.
Yes, Prof.
It is not just only assumption gitu, bukan asumsi. Ada pernyataan-pernyataan begitu. Nah, kemudian soal fasilitas di sekolah itu juga Anda harus punya datanya. Sekolah itu seperti apa, dia punya fasilitas untuk mendukung teknik Anda itu seperti apa, harus disajikan datanya. Anda bilang tadi kan komputernya banyak gitu Nah, Anda jelas Anda deskripsikan itu supaya untuk meyakinkan bahwa memang sekolah ini punya fasilitas pendukung sehingga riset ini memang pantas dilakukan di sekolah Oke well that's all. Thanks everyone for your participation in this seminar. Let's close the seminar by saying Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you everyone.
Okay.
See you, Prof.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Miss.